This is an area view of New Industry Limited, the cocoa transformation factory in Kekem, West region of Cameroon. Spread on a surface area of 4 hectares, this 54 billion francs investment will transform 33,000 tons of cocoa beans. In terms of employment, 800 direct jobs guaranteed, while some 1,000 indirect jobs would be created. An ultra-modern industrial complex that benefited from government support from the day of the laying of the foundation stone to the operational phase.
Les impacts de ce projet sont déjà visibles ici.
The impact of this project is already visible in Kekem, which is now counted amongst the industrial towns in Cameroon.
La société New Industry SA constitue
New Industry constitutes a veritable example of private sector investment. This factory permits us to push up the transformation of cocoa to 40%. As a result of the putting in place of this factory, we have now reached a transformation stage of 32%. With this, we are now amongst the world's major cocoa transformation countries. A first of its kind in the Central African sub-region, this project, which is envied by all, is the handiwork of the son of a farmer, Emmanuel Nussi, who is the current leading exporter of cocoa beans in Cameroon through its procurement chain, Producam.
Nous sommes de la Guinée équatoriale. Nous sommes ici.
We are from Equatorial Guinea. We are happy to see this wonderful investment of the Central African sub-region.
De l'Afrique centrale. Je crois que ce type de projet devrait encourager.
This project should encourage all the people of the sub-region. We need to support this project to have our trademark.
Nous venons de visiter un joyau.
We have just visited a masterpiece of Cameroon's agro-industry of this Central African sub-region.
C'est une industrie qui a une importance capitale.
It is an industry with enormous investment. You know, cocoa is the major cash crop of our economy.
L'autre impression, je viens de visiter une industrie.
I've just visited an industry that respects norms and standards of the agro-food sector.
J'ai rencontré pendant ma visite un personnel très qualifié.
I've met a world-qualified personnel professional with the mastery of the job.
Qui a même d'entretenir cette installation.
Beyond his exceptional vision to vitalize Cameroon's cocoa bean and to improve on the standard of living of the farmers, Emmanuel Nussi is surrounded by a dynamic team of national and international experts.
I think this factory is exceptional. I thank you. I congratulate you and I give you all my support. It is a real big project. Continue, the sky is your limit. I am extremely surprised with what I have seen today. Before I became the African group manager, I was the manager at the global level on everything that has to do with cocoa. I can attest that the factory is fantastic. And in the group, we don't have this type yet. Our factory is a used one, but I am seeing something new. The site is fantastic. I've always dreamt of such an initiative to set up a factory in such an environment. It is extraordinary. In fact, if I have to continue to give lots of qualification, I risk saying the same thing. I am jealous.
Je suis un peu jaloux.
Constructed with all the rigor of international standards, all the industrial chains of the project are functioning well.
Bienvenue à l'usine de transformation des fèves de Kekem. Bienvenue à Neo Industries. Je suis Félix Lepri.
Welcome to the Cocoa Transformation Factory in Kekem. I am Felix Lepri Lagbo, Factory Manager.
Sur ce pont, nous avons l'entrée des fèves.
We receive cocoa beans, which is the raw material in the cocoa transformation process.
Dans ce labo, nos opérateurs labo procèdent à toutes les analyses.
In this laboratory, our technicians are analyzing the quality control process to determine some specifications
Donc ici, ils sont en train de faire des tests de coupe.
in order to accept or to refuse the cocoa beans.
Ici, nous sommes à la plateforme d'engagement. Nos opérateurs, une fois les fèves sont...
We are here at the warehouse where our workers scoop the beans before emptying the content for processing.
Et ces fèves-là sont introduites dans le processus afin de commencer la transformation en elle-même. Ici, nous sommes dans l'atelier de traitement des fèves.
We are now in the winnowing machine to separate the shells from the beans, leaving the cocoa nibs.
Cet atelier est composé en 3 sections. La section de cassage et de décortiquage, où nous procédons à la séparation des grains et des coques.
We are at the torrefaction or roasting chambers where the cocoa undergo alkalization process with high temperatures of hot air.
Le mixeur et toute la panoplie, ventilation, air chaud et air process tornado. Ici, nous avons le torréfacteur qui est un tambour tournant.
Here we are at the chamber to sterilize the grains. Here the cooling process will move to the grinding.
Torréfaction, refroidissement, nous allons procéder au broyage.
After grinding, we supply for refinement to separate the different products.
Et après la finale, nous allons faire passer au stockage. Nous allons aller voir le labo physico-chimique.
We then move to the chemical laboratory where everything is monitored from the control room.
Ces différents moniteurs que nous voyons sont des moniteurs pour... Depuis la...
These monitors you see are monitoring everything from the beginning to the end. I must say our system is automated and everything is controlled from these computers.
Tout est contrôlé à partir de ces écrans-là. Ici, nous sommes au labo physico-chimique de l'usine.
You are all welcome to the physiochemical laboratory where we conduct all physical analysis, the texture, the facts, so that we should be able to control the process to ensure we have a quality finished product based on the specificities.
Nous entrons maintenant en atelier de presse pour le...
We are now entering the processing chamber to obtain cocoa butter and press cake. Here we have 2 processing machines with a capacity to press 1,200 kilograms an hour.
Après pressage, nous avons des tourteaux qui sont évacués.
After pressing, cocoa cake is evacuated. From there, we obtain butter. It will then be transformed onwards to the cylinders.
Beurre non filtré pour être filtré et stocké pour le conditionnement. L'obtention de beurre et du tourteau.
We obtain cocoa butter and cocoa cake.
Ce que vous voyez est transféré au travers de cette tuyauterie pour aller au niveau du conditionnement.
The cocoa cake would be collected and channeled to the cylinders you see up there.
Cette cuve qui est appelée la cuve de beurre non filtré est par...
Then channeled through the machines. Butter will descend to the cylinders and we will store here.
Et de là, nous allons envoyer le beurre au niveau du conditionnement du beurre.
From here, the butter will be forwarded for packaging.
C'est la cuve de beurre, c'est la cuve de masse. Et cette cuve-là, sélectionner les batchs afin de conditionner la masse.
We move to this section where cocoa powder and cocoa cake is packaged.
De la masse, du beurre, également de la poudre et du tourteau. Nous sommes donc au niveau de l'atelier de conditionnement du beurre.
We are now in the packaging department.
Et des lignes de conditionnement de la masse.
Butter and cake.
Nous avons des commandes, beaucoup plus de commandes de beurre et de tourteau.
Presently, we receive more placement orders for butter and cocoa cakes.
De la poudre et du tourteau. Ici, nous avons l'atelier de broyage tourteau.
Here we are at the cocoa cake grinding unit. These are the grinders. Cocoa cake gets here and the process is done. From here we package in 125 kilogram bags.
Nous allons alimenter la trémie poudre pour procéder au conditionnement de la poudre en sac de 25 kg. Après tous les ateliers de conditionnement, notamment.
After visiting the 3 types of packaging units, we get to the warehouse of finished goods to get the results of our job.
Voilà, voici notre magasin. Voici le résultat de notre label.
This is our warehouse. This is the result of our job, of our labor.
Le beurre, le tourteau, la masse.
Our different products are stocked here: butter, cocoa cake, etc.
C'est un magasin qui a une capacité de stockage de près de 2000 tonnes.
The warehouse has a storage capacity of 2,000 tons.
Avec un système d'air conditionné qui nous permet de stocker nos produits.
An air-conditioned warehouse with temperatures that fluctuate between 18 and 25 degrees Celsius. An air-conditioned warehouse with temperatures that fluctuate between 18 and 25 degrees Celsius. Conditioned in 25 kilometers cartons for cocoa butter, liquor, powder and 1,000 kilogram package for cocoa cakes. These finished products made in Cameroon by New Industry are ready to supply international markets.
Durant le processus de fabrication de nos divers produits à savoir.
During the production of our different products like cocoa liquor, cocoa butter, cocoa cake and cocoa powder,
En place un dispositif de contrôle pour assurer
we have put in place quality control measures in conformity with the laboratory prescriptions,
le laboratoire microbio, le laboratoire physico-chimique et
notably the cocoa beans and physiochemical laboratories. This will guarantee a safe product. These products will be satisfied ISO 22000,
des produits sains, des produits autour de moi. Tout ce qui sortira d'ici sera sain et sera
ISO 9001, ISO 14000 for environment.
F2SC 22000, mais aussi
With full production capacity attained to meet up with rising demand, New Industry Cameroon is already making projections for an expansion in its production capacity and to construct modern lodging facilities for its personnel.
C'est la toute première fois de ma vie.
This is the first time in my life that I am witnessing such a serious and huge investment
Aussi gigantesque, fait par une personne.
coming from one man. Not only does it concern the investment part of it,
Le projet industriel proprement dit,
but it equally went further to construct a 4-kilometer third route with his personal finances,
de son propre investissement, avec l'indemnisation des populations.
plus 13 kilometers of earth roads that were done, and the optical fiber tapped from Bafang. All similar industries in the cocoa sector are consortiums, they are family businesses.
Pour seul homme investir à
But coming from one
ce
man,
montant-là,
I think he
Monsieur
must be
Nussi
accompanied.
mérite d'être accompagné.
New industry, inspired by Cameroon.